Okay, this time we have to find b. We have to solve this formula for b. Okay, in this formula we have fraction. Okay, I'm going to eliminate fraction first. Anytime you want to eliminate fraction, you have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. Let me just copy this formula one more time. Okay, I have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator, by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So I'm going to have 2a equals h b plus c. Now I'm looking for b. b is inside of the parentheses. Okay, parentheses are multiplied to h. Okay, so what I can do over here, I can just copy this down. I can divide both sides equations by h. Okay, divide both sides of the equation by h. Take a look what will happen. H and h will cancel out. Okay, let me copy this down. So I have 2a over h is equal b plus c. I'm looking for b. c is added to b. Okay, in order to eliminate c from here, because I have addition, I have to take this c and move to the other side. That's why I'm going to have 2a over h minus c is equal b. Okay, so I can say that my solution is b equals 2a over h minus c. Okay, I didn't change the signs because I took everything from right side and moved to the left, and everything from left side I moved to the right. Anytime you're moving everything, you don't change the sign. So this is the solution to my problem.